how to disable YouTube Shorts permanently on Android. So if you want to disable YouTube Shorts permanently on your Android, then first you need to open up your YouTube application, and here you will have your Shorts, right? So what you need to do is to disable, you need to go with Profile at first and go with the upper right, which has that settings option. Now under settings, you will have an option of playback. Tap on it, and you may have an option of playback in feed, so you just need to simply go and toggle it off. And after that, you need to simply go back and tap on the YouTube shot, or just go with the upper right of the YouTube shot, which has that three dots icon, and tap on not interested, and do that with the other shots also, and tap on the upper right of the shorts and tap on show fewer shots, and again scroll down, and again you will have your shots. You just need to simply go and tap on not interested and reload your page. And now if you scroll down, you won't find the YouTube Shorts. So that's it. That's how you can disable your YouTube Shorts on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.